Welcome to SpiceCandies. Today we're trying a recipe of coffee, cream and coffee candies. These are going to be rich and they will have a missing ingredient. I'd like you to try on and guess what that ingredient is, and please write down in the comments below what you think it is or what it should be. I'd love to hear your comments. Let's get cracking. Well, that's it. Let's give it a shot. I'll try one. A tiny bit of quality control test. It's not bad. Definitely there's more room for improvement. I'd like to add more coffee. Although it does taste like coffee and there is definitely a decent amount of coffee. But I like my coffee stronger. And this is the benefit in homemade candies, because you can dial the flavor to your liking. So this is really nice. If you have a guess for the mystery ingredient, please add below in the description. If you're right, I'll tell you. If you're wrong, well, you'll need to continue on guessing, won't you? So this is my version of dairy coffee candies, and they did turn out quite nicely. I think I'll have to improve the incorporation of the milk powder into the candy, but they look good and they do taste nice. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a sweet day.